Race 6, Heat 3.
40. 30. 20.
So Tim Shovalov closest to leeward, followed by 211 Gunnar Gustafsson,
10.
75
8. 7.
Winton,
6.
US
5.
75,
4. 3. 2.
24 Mats
1.
Claesson. So let's see. We have the alternative upfield. Yeah, Team Shovalov down here and 211, and on you have Odd there in a good position seemingly. Number 14, that's Phil Burgess. So it's the question, we have a couple of boats out there as well who probably has a very reasonable progression, 106. And now they're moving up to the windward mark. Förlåt, men jag har fått tillstånd att stå här så. See what it looks like up there. A lot of reflection. Australia, Paul, 106. You see now the turning around, Odd, Stray, Tim Shovalov, 115, Magnus Janeborn, 75 Winton, US 14, which is Phil Burgess, Australia. So we have about 5 boats in the lead, but we have a couple of additional boats close by, Rolf Andersson and Gunnar Gustafsson, and also Chuck Milligan from the Bermudas. So they're on their way down. $75. 14. Burgess. They're on their way down to the leeward. And Tim Shovalov takes the right. Odd Stray takes the left, so they are not evenly divided in the two directions, but there are two alternatives here. Odd very quickly attacks again because you see a blank spot in the water there. But Rolf Andersson goes out all the way and attacks only now, meeting Milliken and Gustafsson. And then we have Tim Schuwalow, probably in a good position, going to the inner side now. Followed by, now he's in the lead before Odd and Winton. Unless something happens on the outer side, we don't know yet. Let's get an overview. Sail arena. So Schuwalow decides to go all the way in. Phil Burgess has now tacked, as has Odd and Winton from the US. And Rolf Andersson is picking up. He's now fairly close to the leading group of 4 sailors. Whereas Gunnar Gustafsson has had a little bit more difficulties on the outer side. So I think it means that the first two round is Tim Schuwalow, and that Winton will come in as number 2, followed by Odd Stray and Phil Burgess, followed by Rolf Andersson, Sweden. So let's see what track they choose downstream. We have a fairly considerable lead on the part of Tim Schuwalow now. It's even difficult to get the next sailors into the picture. So we'll have to see. You see 4 boats now in the lead. Winton, Ströy and Burgess. The wind is getting a little bit weaker. We're almost, but there will be time at least to finish the race before the wind disappears, perhaps yet another time. So now Tim Schuwalow has tacked around the has passed the down line, the leeward line, and is followed by Winton, who seems to be going for the same rounding there. And then we'll see what will be the choice of, yes, I think Odd will choose the same rounding, whereas Rolf Andersson bets on the outer track. So we now see Tim Shuvalov moving towards the finishing line. But it seems that Winton and Stry have done a good recovery on the other track here. So Phil Burgess, who went into on the inner side here, has lost a little bit of momentum. Strangely enough, because that's where also Tim Shuvalov went. So it turned out different for the two. Magnus Timmerdal is also joining the top group, followed by Phil Burgess, and behind him Jack Millican from Bermuda. So now we see the sailors approaching the finishing line. It's rather interesting tack by Odd, who managed to pass in that situation. You see Rolf Andersson coming in as number 4. And then Magnus Timmerdal and Phil Burgess, seemingly on good track, but it is going to be tight with 861. But I think he will still make it. So that ends this race.